things that you can do to add extra content and functionality to your WordPress site is include widgets. If I go to my home page here, you'll see I have 3 widgets in my sidebar. One's for pages, one is for categories, and one is for archives, and this pulls extra content into my blog. If I go to my other site, you'll see I have one here where I can have different sign-up forms, and this is a custom text widget that I built in. There's a search form, my categories, my pages, and the meta widget, which allows people to log into the site or to subscribe to the RSS. So let's see how to add some of these widgets to our WordPress site. If you click on the appearance heading and go to widgets, you'll see there are a number of containers over here, and different themes have different numbers of containers where you can drop your widgets. So this one has a header, a sidebar, and 3 footer widgets. I'm going to open up the sidebar widget, and I'm going to scroll down here to the inactive widgets, and these are some of the more commonly used ones. So I want to include a tag cloud. So this is going to show all the different tags I have on my website, and you can click it and see all the posts for that particular tag. So I'll drop that on, and if I expand it, I could put a title on it, and I can configure what I want it to pick. So do I want it to pick post tags or categories? I want it to pick tags for this. Click Save, and I'll go back to my site, and I'll refresh it. And you can see tags on this site has been added. So if I were to click on any of these tags, it would show me all the posts that have that tag. So let's add a couple others. Let's add in our pages and our categories. And you notice as I drag and drop them here, I can resort the order in which they appear. And let's add one more called Meta. And this is the link that's going to allow users to log in as well as readers to subscribe. And now, if I go back here and refresh again, you'll see all those widgets appear. So the pages one, the categories one, my tag cloud, and my meta widget. This particular theme allows you to put widgets in the footer too. So I'm going to expand these 3 containers, and I want to put recent posts in one. I want to put recent comments in one, and I'm actually going to drag my tag cloud down here into the other one. And now, if I refresh it, you see the tag cloud disappeared from my sidebar, but if I come down here to my footer, you'll see recent posts, recent comments, and my tags down here in the footer. Now depending on what theme you're using, there will be different areas in which you can drop widgets. Now another cool thing that you can do is embed custom PHP and JavaScript and HTML code using widgets. So I'm going to grab this text widget, drag it over here to my sidebar, and I'll expand it, and this is where I need to place the custom code. So I want to put a Twitter widget on here which will display a bunch of recent posts that were tagged with a tag that is relevant to this site. So I set it all up on Twitter, and you can just go to Twitter and click resources and you'll be able to get to this. So I copied out the custom code, and I'm going to paste it in here and click Save. Now I'll come back here and refresh the page again, and you'll see that custom code widget drops in there. So it's looking for any tweets that are tagged with ice cream, because that's what this blog is about, and they just scroll in. So this is a really great way that you can add in things like a YouTube video, your Flickr pictures, your tweets, Facebook wall things, so any kind of thing like that. And lots of different places allow you to get widgets that you can post into your site. So that's a cool way to use widgets to extend the functionality and bring extra content into your WordPress blog.